For men and women, a text message has become very popular when flirting with one another. In reality, it's how deep the love connection is. SMS is an easy, fast, and secure way to keep in touch. However, if women cannot handle the way they text with their friends, their friendship may be severely affected. Furthermore, frequent texting is no guarantee that a good relationship is established. Hi there, welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting again. In today's video, I will be reviewing Text Chemistry of Amy North and everything you need to know about it. If this video answered some of your relationship issues, then it would be good to click the link in the description to get your own copy of Text Chemistry. Well, texting is an easy way to interact with women's partners. Still, it is not so useful to express in-depth thoughts without careful implementation and to establish a deep bond. Communication in a text may even be misrepresented quickly. Typically, people rely a lot on nonverbal signals like facial expressions and body language while talking. And in messaging, this doesn't happen. When people can connect through text, they may find their joke disrespectful or abusive towards their partner. Mostly, at the beginning of the relationship. Many women find it impossible to keep their men engaged. However, the Text Chemistry Guide is here to help such people. Also, men may participate in this partnership in several successful ways. This program will show women how to do so. What is Text Chemistry by Amy North? Text Chemistry is regarded as the excellent guide that any woman wishes to have by a flourishing author and relationship specialist. Texting and messaging may make a massive part of how people converse about potential love interests in the modern age. Women can find it tough to draw men's attention and hold their attention to them. Text Chemistry is an online program that allows women to get their husband to repair them by sending an easy and fast post. It works like magic, and these reminders will help women get what it takes for their husband to captivate women mentally. These text messages definitely work, as they have been seen even on the colder and remote men to work efficiently. The men are fascinated with women all day long and night, longing for women. Women may get their man obsessed with a few simple tactics to go head on. Women can bring him into their spell with these text chemistry tricks, and women can easily see effects. Images and feelings of women infiltrate his apprehension, and at every moment, he speaks of women. Overall, the primary goal of this women-based initiative is to contain the full attention of men. It lets the husband worry about women all the time. He needs to know what women are doing. This model shows women how to use attention hook, psychology stimuli that help women get attention from their guys. Text Chemistry has allowed thousands of women to gain absolute attention and devotion. The great thing is that to make this model work for a user, women do not need to pose like a supermodel or look wonderful with charisma. This power care model will communicate with their man implicitly and focus and actively worry about women. It will build desperate emotions, joy, affection, and caring for women. I hope this video is getting you excited about how to handle your relationship. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your own copy of the Text Chemistry. How does the Text Chemistry work? It mentors and offers secrets about drawing a man and developing a good friendship in new forms, skills, and techniques. Men will always be men and will still like to hear something more from women, sincerely speaking. This guide includes magical secrets and ways to help women gain the heart of their men in every possible way. Women won't have to compete to get a guy anymore with this scam-free guide. Currently, it is the most potent partnership model on the market. Every woman works best and believes others by keeping this guide. Women will power over their man's desire, and he'll love them for every minute. Significant components of text chemistry examples. Amy North exposes the precise text messages that are almost sure to be delivered to their man. She advises women to use these text messages, how, and what to do in any situation with a man. So regardless of their relationship, Text Chemistry will send women every text, including what to use, that women need to be good with their man. These scenarios in the text described by the guide include: what to forward if men do not reply to their messages. If their ex is breaking up and women want him back. If women find like this is a dull and stagnant relationship. If women are seeking dedication and want him to lock them down. Women want to give him text messages to make men seek their presence now if they are away from their wives. seemingly dumb text messages that will make men want women. Speaking on the phone with a man, including influencing the conversation, he still needs to chat with women. When women are thinking about their boyfriend, fiancé, or husband cheating on women, leaving women behind, or getting sick of women. Amy North also includes a cheat sheet to decipher what a guy is doing anytime women get a frustrating chat, so women don't have to hit their head against a brick. How to use text chemistry, what women can expect in the guide. Practical steps for love and desire have been seen in text chemistry, and also how these essential words will allow a change of mind in someone melting with the purest type of love women really deserve. The text message would penetrate the right way of making him love, romance, and their heart's desire unconditionally. Here women will learn to pay attention to a man and always, uncontrollably, make him dream about women that women have never thought possible. Women will read the wild, successful tactics that explicitly make him text back to women and avoid dismissing or refusing. This model teaches women to master the e-glow text that stops their subconscious from harming women, helping them enjoy him repeatedly. It provides the satellite text to bring their ex back quickly so that he can feel guilty for the divorce and crumble on his knee and plead for a second shot. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your own copy and join the text chemistry program. Benefits of Amy's text chemistry. According to Harry, there is no magic text in text chemistry that someone can use to win over her husband. Instead, this is simply a man's psychological theory or method. The aim of this initiative is also to catch the interest of people for improved outcomes. That said, this part will go over this program's advantages. It increases women's opportunities to find love. It helps women to reduce insecurity significantly. The product comes with a money return promise for 60 days. If women want to initiate a dialogue with the guy women love, or if women feel like their husbands are leaving women, or if women want to pull their husbands back, then the model might be up to women. Text chemistry is exclusively online and is now available at a special reduced price of $49 from the official website. See link in description. This reduction is only for a short period, so buyers can verify if this discount is still offered through the connection above. No more shower bags to treat. This ebook is the most valuable extra bonus for single mothers. It is apparent that she knows the psychology of men. It's also clear that she sincerely cares about supporting women in their marriages to achieve peace and satisfaction. Having said this, text chemistry is strongly encouraged for those who want to strengthen or promote themselves in their current relationship. Besides, Amy's relationship model can help women initiate a new, stable, and enduring relationship. Click the link below to get your own copy and start your journey to a healthy relationship today.